Hello and welcome to WMS and the MSCA, Oracle WMS and Oracle MSCA training. Today we want to discuss about the quick ship. This is the small illustration of what is quick ship and how you perform those steps. So first stage direct ship, as it mentioned, it's a direct because you do not perform the pick release process. So straight away you go to the sub inventory transfer. You move the material from the storage location to the staging area. After the movement, if you're moving a loose item to the staging lane, then it must go to a dock door, and so you have to do a sub inventory transfer from source location. Let's say we call that sub inventory as FGI, to a destination which is we call a staging sub inventory, and the locator would be D, starting with D, which is my dock door. If you transfer to the staging lane, uh, for example, you want to transfer to staging lane and then you want to pack, and then do one more transfer to the delivery dock doors, so you can do that as well, or you can directly do a sub inventory transfer to the dock doors and you create the LPN. If you're transferring loose, then you have to use the packing functionality to create them into a packed form. If it is already an LPN which is coming from FGI to a stage, then this step is not required. And there is a separate menu in MSCA application where you can see the ship confirm. So just the third point, if you want to see, just wait in the next slides, or we'll talk about what all the steps are required, and then using the application I'm going to perform all of these steps and do a quick test data run. These are the steps that I have written, which I'll go through one by one. So let's start a direct ship and see how we can do that in Oracle. And many a times this is also a usable form of shipping. So let's proceed to the next video, which will talk about the steps. Okay. Maybe I can continue in the same video and complete the implementation steps also, and then we can proceed with the demo in the next video. All right. So the steps are clear. So we need to have an item creation. So let's log into the application and start doing these